Welcome to the Freeman Lumber planer mill. The process starts with kiln-dried rough lumber being loaded onto the in-feed chains. This lumber is going to be planed into smooth, finished product. The tilt hoist then lifts the unit and drops rows of lumber onto the in-feed chains before it goes through our planer. As you can see, the lumber is having the kiln sticks removed. It gets conveyed to our high-speed planer. A laser line controls the flow of material going into the planer. This planer runs up to 2,000 feet per minute. Grading happens at the same speed with our high-speed, full-vision grading system. This system can see every visual defect on the lumber at extremely high speeds. Once graded, the lumber goes onto a slowdown belt and gets sent onto another set of rooftop chains, where it is then loaded onto lugs. As you can see, the plant today is running at 155 pieces per minute. The wood then gets fenced and put in position for our trim box. Then it gets grade stamped and goes into our 20 bin sorter. As you can see, most of the wood makes the 2-embedder grade. When a bin is full, it drops it down onto a set of transfer chains and gets sent into an unscrambler. The unscrambler helps singulate the boards to prepare it to be stacked into finished units. It's important to note that this process is all very automated and everything's controlled with progressive logic controls and a series of sensors. The lumber then is stacked into the units with a high-speed stacker. As you can see, it does a very neat and tidy job, much better than hand piling. A completed lift now goes to be packaged. As you can see, the completed bundle is being dropped onto another set of chains, being conveyed to the packaging station. This lumber gets transported all over the eastern seaboard and as far away as Florida and Texas. The lumber is then strapped and compressed and then tarped to protect the weather from the lumber from the outdoor elements and make sure it maintains its quality through the shipping and sales process. Lumber wrapping is one of the most skilled and important positions in the entire planer mill, as this is the presentation that your customer sees and that the general public sees on trucks. Once wrapped, the lumber leaves the plant after it's barcoded and gets transported away by a wheel loader.